Picture your commute lifting off the road, then touching down back in your driveway. Today, we're counting down 20 real flying machines you can find on Amazon, from pocket drones that follow you like a camera crew to FPV rigs that feel like a jet cockpit. Stick around for the one device that flies without a remote at all. By the end, you'll know which future flyer fits you. 1. DJI Mini 4K Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 4K proves that Futuristic doesn't have to be huge. It stays under 249 grams, yet delivers crisp 4K Ultra HD footage with a 3-axis gimbal that keeps shots smooth and cinematic. With up to 10 kilometers HD video transmission, you can scout wide landscapes while keeping a stable live view. It's also built to handle level 5 wind resistance, so your footage doesn't fall apart when conditions get real. The Fly More Combo adds 3 batteries, making longer sessions easy. Perfect for creators who want serious aerial shots without the complexity. 2. DJI Avata 2 Fly More Combo. DJI Avata 2 is the put-you-in-the-cockpit machine, built for immersive FPV, flying with goggle-style feedback that feels like you're inside the action. Motion control makes steering intuitive, so even beginners can fly with confidence using natural hand movements. Want cinematic stunts? One push unlocks flips, rolls, and 180-degree drifts without requiring pro-level practice. The super-wide 155-degree field of view and 1/1.3-inch sensor help capture dramatic low-altitude 4K/60 frames per second footage with serious presence. Add rock-steady and horizon-steady stabilization, plus built-in propeller guards, and it's made for thrilling, shareable POV content. 3. HOVERAir X1 Self-Flying Camera Drone. This is what personal air mobility looks like in miniature form. The HOVERAir X. One turns into your hands-free flying cameraman. Its intelligent follow-me tracking can keep pace up to 15 miles per hour, making it ideal for biking, skating, and action shots where you want the camera to think for you. It's ultra-portable at about 125 grams and folds down small, so it's easy to carry anywhere. Launch is simple, palm takeoff with a click. Then you can choose pre-programmed flight paths like hover, follow, orbit, bird's eye, and more. With 2.7K capture and triple stabilization, it's built for effortless creator footage. 4. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. Potensic Atom 2 brings next-gen creator features into a lightweight package under 249 grams. It uses a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor with an f1.8 aperture, delivering sharper detail, stronger color, and better low-light performance while recording 4K 30 frames per second HDR video. The Fly More setup includes 3 batteries and a hub that can quick charge all 3 at once in about 1.3 hours, so you spend more time flying and less time waiting. Built-in PicSync 4.0 helps push control range up to 10 kilometers with strong anti-interference, while AI tracking and cinematic modes like quick shots and vertical shooting make it easy to produce social-ready footage fast. 5. DJI Mini 4 Pro. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is a serious leap towards smart aircraft in a tiny body. It's under 249 grams, making it travel-friendly, and it records in 4K for clean, high-impact footage right out of the camera. What makes it feel futuristic is confidence. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps detect hazards in all directions, so you can fly with fewer heart-stopping moments. For longer shoots, it's designed for extended battery life, reducing the constant battery anxiety that kills creative momentum. And with long-range video transmission plus active track 360 degrees, you can lock onto subjects and capture smooth, complex tracking shots, even if you're new to drones. 6. DJI Mini 4 Pro Fly More Combo Plus. If you want the Mini 4 Pro experience with fewer interruptions, the Fly More Combo Plus is the creator-focused upgrade. You still get 4K capture and omnidirectional obstacle sensing, but the real win is endurance. The kit includes 3 Intelligent Flight Battery Plus packs and a 2-way charging hub, pushing total flight time up to 135 minutes. That means more attempts at the perfect tracking pass, more location coverage, and fewer land-early compromises. It also includes a shoulder bag, making it easy to take this setup anywhere. With strong, lag-free transmission and active shots, active track features, it's built for people who want polished aerial storytelling, not just quick test flights. 7. DJI Air 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3 feels like the bridge between hobby drones and future aviation. Its dual camera system gives you creative focal length options, perfect for travel storytelling, where you want both wide environment shots and more intimate framing. It captures detailed 48-megapixel photos and records 4K/60 frames per second HDR video for vibrant, lifelike footage. For safer flying, omnidirectional obstacle sensing adds confidence, especially in tricky environments like forests. Transmission is built for stability too, delivering a smooth 1080p/60 frames per second live feed and strong long-range performance. Add firmware features like Vision Assist and Active Shots, 360 degrees for improved subject tracking, and you've got a powerful aerial platform that looks and feels truly next-gen. 8. Potensic Atom 3-Axis Gimbal 4K GPS Drone. Potensic Atom is a compact smart flyer designed for creators who want stable video without a heavyweight drone. It stays under 249 grams and pairs 4K video capture with a 3-axis gimbal for smoother footage that looks far more expensive than its size suggests. The Fly More combo includes 3 intelligent batteries and a parallel charging hub, giving you extended exploration time without constantly stopping to recharge. Visual tracking and quick-shot style moves make it easier to produce dynamic clips even if you're still learning, and its GPS-style safety features, like return-to-home behavior, help keep flights controlled and stress-free. It's a strong pick for travel creators who want portability, stability, and smart filming tools in one kit. 9. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone with 4 KEIS camera. Atom SE is built like a pocket scout drone that still delivers serious-looking footage. It's under 249 grams with a foldable design that packs down small, making it easy to take on every trip. The 4K EIS camera uses Potensic's Shake Vanish tech to help smooth your shots, with a wide 118-degree field of view and a camera angle range that supports more creative framing. Surgefly Flight Control adds multiple flight modes, so you can grow from beginner to confident pilot. And in sport mode, it can hit up to 16 meters per second quickly for more aggressive passes. With two 2,500 mAh batteries for up to 62 minutes total flight time, it's a smart, budget-friendly way to capture modern aerial footage consistently. 10. Holy Stone HS720E Drone with 4 KEIS camera. The Holy Stone HS720E is a practical, future-ready drone built around stability, clarity, and peace of mind. Its 4K camera is paired with EIS anti-shake technology, and it uses a Sony sensor to boost image quality, helping footage stay sharp and clean instead of blurry and jittery. Outdoor flying is made safer with a combination of GPS positioning and auto return to home, so the drone can navigate back reliably when needed. It also features flight stability support through altitude control systems designed for steadier handling. With 2 batteries for extended time in the air and a creator-friendly feature set, the HS720E is a strong choice for anyone who wants smooth, confident aerial filming without jumping into a premium price tier. 11. Holystone HS720 GPS Drone. Holystone HS720 is a smart, beginner-friendly flying camera that still delivers impressive 4K capture. It pairs a 4K UHD camera with an image stabilization setup to help reduce vibration and keep footage cleaner while you fly. A 90-degree adjustable lens lets you change perspective quickly, and 5 GHz FPV transmission gives you a smoother live view while framing shots. Add GPS-assisted features, and you get more confidence outdoors, especially when you're pushing distance for wide cinematic passes. For creators who want stable aerial visuals without premium pricing, this is a strong, practical pick. 12. Ruko F11GIM2. Ruko F11GIM2 is built for people who want cinematic drone results without a complicated learning curve. The headline feature is stabilization. A 2-axis gimbal combined with EIS helps smooth out shaky footage, while the camera records 4K/30 frames per second for crisp travel and landscape shots. It also supports digital zoom and an adjustable shooting angle, letting you switch from wide scenic sweeps to tighter detail shots in seconds. Many bundles focus on long sessions too, so you can spend more time capturing usable clips and less time swapping gear. It's a solid balance of stability, clarity, and value. 13. Autel Robotics Evo Nano Plus Premium Bundle. The Autel Evo Nano Plus is what a next-generation mini drone looks like when image quality comes first. It stays around the ultra-portable 249 grams class, yet packs a larger 1/1.28-inch sensor designed to pull in more light for cleaner low-light footage. You get sharp 4K video and high-resolution stills, plus a 3-axis gimbal to keep motion smooth and professional. Safety is boosted with 3-way obstacle avoidance, which is a big deal for confident flying in tighter spaces. If you want premium-looking visuals in a compact, travel-ready drone, Nano Plus is a serious contender. 14. DJI FPV Combo. DJI FPV Combo is pure adrenaline, an immersive first-person flying machine built for dramatic, high-speed footage. Put on the goggles 5.2, and you get a real-time view with a super-wide 150-degree field of view that makes every dive and turn feel cinematic. The drone records 4K/60 frames per second video at high bitrates, so your action shots stay sharp instead of turning into blurry chaos. It also includes safety-focused features like an emergency brake and hover, which can save you when a line gets risky. If you want content that looks like it came from a sci-fi chase scene, this is one of the most thrilling options you can buy on Amazon. 15. DJI FPV Explorer Combo. The DJI FPV Explorer Combo takes the FPV experience and makes it more approachable for creators. You still get that inside-the-cockpit feeling, paired with crisp 4K/60 frames per second recording for intense POV content. DJI's low-latency HD transmission helps keep the live feed smooth and responsive, which matters when you're flying fast and close to the ground. Features like emergency brake and hover add confidence, while the included goggles Integra aim for a more streamlined, comfortable setup. If you want the excitement of FPV without feeling like you need to be a pro racer on day one, the Explorer Combo is a smart entry into high-impact aerial storytelling. 16. DJI Mini 3. DJI Mini 3 is a compact creator drone that feels tailor-made for modern social content. It shoots 4K video and supports true vertical shooting, so you can capture clean portrait clips for shorts, reels, and TikTok without awkward cropping. Flight time is a major strength, up to about 38 minutes, so you can plan real sequences instead of rushing every take. It also supports long-range video transmission, up to 10 kilometers class, giving you a stable view while framing wide landscape shots. Add GPS features like auto return to home, and you've got a lightweight, travel-friendly drone that delivers consistently polished footage with minimal fuss. 17. DJI Tello. DJI Tello is the tiny flying gadget that proves futuristic fun can be affordable. It weighs about 80 grams, fits in your palm, and uses DJI flight tech to keep handling stable, perfect for beginners practicing indoors. The camera captures 720p video, and the real charm is the smart, app-driven flying experience. Easy shots help you create quick, shareable clips, and you can trigger flips and trick moves right from your phone. It's also popular as a learning tool because it supports basic programming concepts. If you want a simple starter drone for fun shots, skill building, and light content creation, Tello is a classic that still delivers. 18. Parrot ANAFI. Parrot ANAFI stands out with a feature you don't see every day, a camera that can tilt a full 180 degrees vertically, letting you capture dramatic upward angles. Think buildings, cliffs, bridges, and reveal shots that feel impossible on most drones. It's foldable and travel-friendly, records 4K HDR video, and is known for a quieter flight profile compared to many drones in its class. That combination makes it a strong choice for cinematic city shots and scenic travel footage where you want a unique perspective. If your goal is to film angles that stop viewers mid-scroll, ANAFI's vertical tilt is a powerful creative weapon. 19. Force One Scoot LED Hand-Operated Drone. Force One Scoot LED is a hands-free flying gadget that feels like something out of the future. Launch it, and it hovers around you using obstacle avoidance sensors to navigate indoor spaces. Instead of complex controls, you guide it with simple hand movements, which makes it instantly fun for kids and adults. The webbed protective shell helps keep fingers and furniture safer while the drone bounces around, and the bright LEDs make it look especially cool in low light. It's not about cinematic 4K, it's about interactive flying that anyone can enjoy in seconds. For quick, engaging shots in your video and a crowd-pleasing demo, Scoot is an easy win. 20. NWLAEWR Flying Orb Ball Toy. This flying orb ball is the kind of futuristic gadget that goes viral because it's simple, visual, and weirdly addictive. Turn it on, toss it, and it can glide, spin, hover, and even create a boomerang-style return depending on the angle and speed of your throw. The LED lighting makes night demos look amazing on camera, and the catch-and-throw style gameplay is perfect for quick cuts and reactions in a YouTube list video. Many versions also let you stop it by catching and shaking the ball, so it feels interactive instead of just remote-controlled. If you want a low-cost flying gadget that instantly looks techy on screen, this orb delivers. With every new drone, FPV rig, and self-flying gadget, the future of personal flight feels less like science fiction and more like something you can unbox today. If you enjoyed this countdown, hit the like button, share this video with a friend who loves futuristic tech, and subscribe for more Amazon finds that actually deliver. Now tell us, which flying machine would you try first and why?